So I had a book, and I'll go ahead and give you the niche. It was on
Yep.
because I looked it up, and when I niched it down, it actually was pretty profitable. It's one of my best sellers.
Sweet.
I went ahead and paid. It was just under 200 for the cover, which has slightly increased it. Again, I've only been doing this just shy of 4 months now, so it's got like 26 reviews, which I did watch your How to Get 100 Reviews, and I'm in the process of working and kind of correcting things.
Mhm.
It has a 4.8 or 4.9 out of the 26 or 27 reviews.
Mhm.
I went ahead and got the A plus. But is there anything that you can? I know you've mentioned, cover reviews, A plus are kind of things that you really kind of focus on. But is there anything else that you can think of to see, is this cover really worth it? Should I put it up in the school or do the pick six thing?
Bro, put it up in the school. Like,
Yeah.
that's like the biggest thing, man. I know everyone's like a little iffy. Like, I don't want to share my books. It's like, okay, the fastest way to get proper feedback is to share your books.
Okay.
Right? And like we're always worried about people copying them. And it's like the people who are gonna just copy your books are too lazy to find the way to success anyway. So it's like they don't even have a chance in hell of succeeding. Right.
Okay.
So no, share your book, tag me, and so I can do a quick review and analyze it with a fresh set of eyes. Like, definitely do that.